in front of me. So I'm going to start opening it. I see the American Girl box. So the first thing is we have this little paper that says Meet Grace Thomas. Discover her story in an all-new movie. And on the back it says Grace stirs up success. A 9-year-old girl, Grace Thomas, is always baking up big ideas. And this is what it looks like. It has pictures of the movie. And here it says, hey girls, don't miss out on your free surprise gift. And then your daughter will love it, and you will too. And you can get this little book, and it comes with stickers and an envelope, so then you can write to them. And this is your whole thing, what it looks like. And then we have the new catalog, July 2015. There's new earrings, all the new clothes. And then it says, just for you, come back next month and save 10 in your next purchase of 50 or more. Valid July 1st to July 31, 2015. Limited time offer. And then we have a huge box here that says Truly Me. You saw I got something big. So I'm going to open this. If anyone knows what I got. I got the desk. So there's more stuff in the box. My scissors, I don't. So, and now I got my scissors back. As we got the desk, and lots of paper. This is so great. I got the desk because I really wanted this. All the stuff are in here. Here's the desk. That's really amazing. Here, inside here, there's little holes that you can get stuff from. You can hide your stuff. There's a little chair. It's really cute. And here it opens up, and you can hold your paper right here. I don't have a piece. I'll just get a piece. And it can hold it. This one was touching the ground, so. And it holds it up. And then that goes down. And that's the desk. But it comes with little accessories. So here's stickers. And it says School Spirit. And it has a pencil and a backpack. And a star and A+. Dream Big. Books. I love reading. Stars and Super. That's one of the things it comes with. Then it comes with a little book. It says American Girl. And you can write all your stuff in it. So, and then here there's a times table, it says, and it counts all the way up to 400 on here. And then we have this little piece of paper that has all these little squares on it. And then we have a little notebook. It's not actually a notebook, it has pages in a notebook. That's going to be better for me to show you guys how to hang this up. So you can hang your work up. And then we have a little ruler. And the last thing, we have a little pencil. So I'm going to start opening these little bags of stuff. The first. Oh, and I forgot to show you guys one more thing. A folder comes with. You can put all your stuff in there. Pencils. This is the pencil. It's a blue and it says American Girl. I'm so excited to open this. And now we have the pencil. And we have this little piece of paper. Now there's just 3 pieces of paper. That's going to be good to hang up. And then we have, I did that. Take the paper, and then there's more paper in here. 2 sheets. Oh, I mean 3 sheets. And then we have times table that goes all the way up to 400. All this stuff is for dolls. And there's 2 sheets. 1 is the times table. 2 is weekly schedule. And 3 is my school lunch menu. And that's all. And we have just this little book. And I'm going to show you guys how to set it up. And my school lunch menu will go we have weekly schedule, and we have times table. I'm going to put back under, and the stickers.